Hi guys, welcome to this very short video. I couldn't stop without saying this announcement. We are very close to Inktober. Maybe you don't know what is Inktober, or you're new to the art community and don't know what is Inktober. Inktober is a challenge that takes place over the month of October each year. So you can find different prompt lists and you have to draw every day one of the prompt lists, and the finish of Inktober is to practice like inks or traditional mediums. But it's true that nowadays Inktober is not just that close, so now you can do it digital, you can do it the way you want, with color, with paints, or whatever. So I know it's not the essence of the original Inktober, but also it's a good moment if you want to practice something that you're not going to be able to do it in other moment of the year. From the last couple of years, I have been doing the witchy hat with Laura Dumitriu, and we soon realized that after the first Inktober, that it was like the 31 days prompt list. We realized that it was very, very difficult to keep the track on the 31 prompts. So the second year we decided to make it even shorter, like the half of it. So this year I just received the opportunity to join trickytober. So I co-host this new Inktober challenge with Dani Drown, Sabrina D'Ambrosio, and Daniela Cumbre Art. I'm going to link below all their Instagrams. Instead of making 31 days prompt list, we decided that it was more easy to do just doing 4 drawings a month. So basically we split the challenge in 4 weeks, and each week have a main theme. For example, week 1, that it's going to be post October 7, it's going to be witch. The second week it's going to be ghost. The third week it's going to be vampire, and the last week, the 4th week, is going to be Katrina. These are the keywords and the things that has to be the important part of your drawing. So this is the main theme. Also, we decided that it was very interesting to give you some freedom in terms to choose things that you can add to your drawing. So you can find words like costume, cat, blood, last, dog, spooky, royal, spell, modern, cute, rocker. So there's a lot of adjectives that you can mix and match, so you can make your illustration different and unique, because not everyone is going to choose, for example, the witch royal, or the ghost, or the modern ghost with the spells. So I think this way you're going to create unique illustrations that you can share with all of us. I already started making the first ideas or the first sketches for these 4 illustrations. And also I had the keywords I'm going to use. So for example, for week number 1, that it's going to be witch, I decided to use pinup, pumpkin, cat, and potion. For the second week, that it's going to be ghost, I decided to use cat, royal, and jewelry. The third week, that it's going to be vampire, and by the way, is the day I host the challenge. It's going to be blood, rock, and last. And for the last one, that it's going to be Katrina, it's ritual, blood, and spooky. So these are my keywords. So I used these ones to compone all, the sketches I did. I don't know yet which medium I'm going to use. The thing is, I'm between traditional and digital. The thing is that I want to create like the first sketch, the cleaning sketch with the iPad, so I can turn it to the paper. And probably I want to use inks for the coloring on my regular watercolor paper. I decided to do that because I bought the inks a long time ago, a few months, probably last year, I don't remember exactly. And I want to practice more ink. Guys, I am in a moment that I wanted to practice more inks, and I think Inktober is like a moment to do that. So I think I'm going to do the effort and work with a traditional medium. But also I'm going to use the digital part because I want to think about the, you know, the color theme on digital, because it's more easy to find, you know, it's more easy to change colors and decide and take this kind of decisions. So I'm going to do a mix of that, and you will see it because I'm going to film all the process, and probably I will share a video with everything around Inktober, around November. And of course, you're going to see more of the behind the scenes process on our blogs. So that's all I wanted to say, guys. If you want to join the trickytober challenge over October, you can find on my Instagram page all the information. Also, I'm going to link here, or I'm going to leave here your all the prompts and the words so you can see it. And I can't wait, guys, to see what are you coming with. Don't forget to use the hashtag trickytober so I can see all your drawings, and I will be able to share it on my stories on Instagram. So that's all for now, guys. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video. Bye.